Man, who says agriculture is not sweet? But when I will talk say agriculture no sweet. Come and see the beauty of agriculture. The beauty of poultry farming. This is where we are at the moment. With a facility capable of housing 60,000 laying birds. Not be small thing, not be my. This is where we are. It's a closed system. Fully automated closed system of battery cage management. If you look closely, you will see that we are rolling the droppings. So the birds don't have any contact with the droppings. Same with the egg. You won't even know the time of the day once you're inside this place. So this is it.